A 6-year-old iPhone 11 was repaired into a battle-damaged warrior. A fan was driven crazy because of the battery issue. He had to charge it 3 times a day. He hoped to fix it and use it for another 5 years to store memories of his child growing up. The 6-year-old, scarred iPhone still held 30 gigabytes of precious photos of his child. He couldn't bear to throw it away. An official battery replacement costs 648 yen and only comes with a 3-month warranty. We installed a silicon carbon negative electrode battery with 1,100 mAh more capacity than the original. Group buy price was only a bit over 100 yen. With a 1-year warranty, battery swelling, lifetime guarantee. One charge can now last a full day. No more charging 3 times a day. Once we opened the screen, it was obvious this iPhone 11 Pro Max had been badly repaired before. The front camera was full of dust. This is why we always tell our team, go to a professional, transparent, and detailed repair shop. Don't let poor repair jobs ruin your client's phone and your reputation. Professionalism isn't just a slogan, it's shown in the details. After removing the screen, we fully cleaned the phone. The waterproof seal had degraded after 6 years of exposure. Its water resistance had dropped. The customer asked us to restore the phone sealing. We did our best to bring it back to how it looked when he first bought it. In fact, every phone we handle gets this level of treatment even if you don't ask. We'll still do it. Some people quietly watch videos, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, and follow. Those people are just amazing. After cleaning the old waterproof glue on the frame, we dripped alcohol onto the battery glue to get it drunk and soften it. Then we gently pried out the battery. Cleaned off all the old adhesive. And remove the fingerprints from the last repair job. This is our standard cleaning result. Now look at our high-tech battery. When we peeled off the old cosmetic sticker, even God would shake his head at that repair work. Now check out our silicon carbon battery. The original battery was only 3,600 mAh. 4,800 mAh. That's a 1,100 mAh boost. We applied original style battery adhesive and reassembled the phone. Used a roller to press the battery down tightly. Reapplied waterproof adhesive. Reconnected the display and the speaker flex cables. Cleaned off the dust and fingerprints. Then closed up the screen. Put the phone into the heat press for sealing. Added a free screen protector. Now, this 6-year-old iPhone 11 returns to its owner in a new form. If you also have an old, retired phone, a little investment might keep it fighting with you for years to come.